Where's your phone?
It's on your desk.
All right, I'll give it to you.
Thank you.
Silver Days, welcome. It's bearish, dude. I wonder how many people we're gonna get today because this was nasty. Just a casual 6% drop. I wonder if we're still gonna get a lot of people in today or not, but we'll see. Silver Days, welcome. Triple T says USOR and USCR is on Coinbase, but I'm taking out $4,000 out to put into silver and gold. They will contact. I'm assuming you're saying they'll continue to run up. USRR and USCR is on Coinbase. Are you sure? Let's see. It is not on Coinbase. So you might be thinking about like the decentralized like app that they have, which technically Dojo on Mars is on there too. And let's check USOR. Damn, USOR has no, it's not on Coinbase. So it might be on the Coinbase app, but it like on the not on retail, but on the Dex tool, the Dex site. I just started live streaming and we're about to go down. Let's go. Hey, where's that guy? Do you remember that guy that came in here? Well, I gotta wait until Aloe gets here, but remember the guy is like, yeah, we're never breaking down. Like, what? Why didn't you just buy right now? Like, oh yeah, well, I don't have infinite money. I'll buy at the best timing possible. It's just so funny. People like, this is just the start, guys. People are gonna be buying dollar cost averaging down, and unfortunately, it's just the dip is never gonna like end until we're bullish again in 3 years. It's unfortunate. What's up, Hitachi? Welcome. Zoinbase update and price prediction. What's up, Abolisher? Let's see if this is doing anything for you. Yeah, this is obviously the gamble. So you could see even from the last video, it fell down another. Yeah, it fell down another 50%. So, I mean, yeah, I mean, unless it puts in a bottom here, then you need to break this area of resistance. But I don't know how low this thing can go. I'd say that's resistance, and then the next target is 3016, which again, it's an $8,000 market cap coin. So even a 10x is going to put it at 80,000, right? There's only so much liquidity that it has. So just be careful with this coin, obviously. Not financial advice, just my opinion. No, it's on the Coinbase app, ready to trade. I don't see it on there. It's not on there. Yeah, it's not on here. Let's see, Coinbase. Yeah, it's not tradable. USCR is not tradable on Coinbase. It says USCR not tradable on Coinbase. And let's check USOR. Yeah, it says USOR is only tradable on decentralized exchanges, DEXs. DEX trading on Coinbase is not available in all regions. So maybe I just don't have it, but it is on the decentralized app for Coinbase. It's not on the retail site. That's pretty cool though. That's awesome that they added it on their DEX tool. So that's not bad. Hitachi says my account is vanished already. Damn. That's not good. Abolisher says okay. Yeah, I mean you are gambling, so just be careful. Obviously, you need this thing to go to the moon. You need this thing to be like $1 billion market cap, and then you'll be a millionaire, man. You'll be able to actually sell. Gabriel says, "Good evening, meow." Well, good evening to you too. I hope you're sitting through this correction pretty well. So we had a nasty sell-off to the lower end of our support band. I can't believe that it's already capitulating. I don't know if it is. I think we might get some sort of bounce and put in a lower high. I just don't think we're ready yet because it will kind of invalidate a lot of stuff, right? Let's see. I mean, it's only been 80 days, so maybe, we're not. It's there, I wouldn't say it. He doesn't have Coinbase, so I literally saw it, looked it up on Coinbase, man. Here, do you want me to read it for you? Here, let me bring it up. It's still good that they added it on their DEX tool, but yeah, so let's see. We're going to really go through this one at a time. USOR. 19 million market cap, but it does have it's unverified. Oh my gosh, it's like gonna be like, what is it? 19 million. We're almost there. Moment of truth. Is it gonna show trade or not? Is it gonna show trade? Is Triple T about to become a billionaire? All right, it should be on the next page. 19 million. Oh wait, never mind. That's 29 million. Never mind. Oh yeah, 19 million. Duh, I was like, and I even said it. Almost there, almost in the 19s. I'll read the chat after. This is more important because if this coin got listed on Coinbase, that would be very good for Triple T. But there's a difference between the retail site. And so it's 19.39. 19.39. Yeah, it's on their DEX tools. So that's what, as I predicted, USOR is only tradable on decentralized exchanges, DEXs. DEX trading on Coinbase is not available in all regions. That's still not bad. It's still a start. Imagine if it gets listed on their retail site. That would, dude, that would be great. But hey, man, that's really good news. Congratulations, Triple T. That's awesome. That's really good. But like, yeah, USCR, it didn't. But USOR did, man. So you might be doing good, man. Let's see. It is on Coinbase for me in Washington. Can AVAX break lower? Dude, AVAX is done. AVAX is cooked. Yeah, I mean, you have like there is no more support for Avalanche, and it's just macro bearish, unfortunately. Yeah, I'd say the next major area of support for AVAX would be, yeah, it would probably come back down to $6.40. What's up, Smash Toshi? Welcome. Yeah, it's on the app, ready to trade DEX. Hello, that's what I'm looking at. But I'm going to keep mine on Trust Wallet. Okay. Let's go. Hitachi says, meow, when do you think is a time to buy some Bitcoin? Oh, you don't watch your Bitcoin videos? We make Bitcoin videos now. Yeah, so my next buy target for Bitcoin is going to be, the next time I buy is going to be 0.002 BTC at $70,000. I know that's like $140, but that's just my next area that I'm going to be buying at, 0.002, and I'll make a video on it. And then as we get deeper and deeper, I'll start, and once we do break 70,000, then I'll have to redraw this entire chart and look at the next area of chop before the next breakdown. So it's just funny that people don't think that it's going to go down. Like, yeah, dude, we are going way down. Noobs. I bought some Attract in $20 profit right now. Let's go. Fernando's in profit. A profit is any profit is a good profit, man. Wait, what's the you said you bought Attract? Is that a meme coin? You're up $20 on Attract. Is this some sort of master your mind? Is this it? Wow, it just came out. They're just launching coins every single day, man. Mine's on Trust Wallet. I'm good, but you can buy it, buy, trade, or transfer. Yeah, if you could do that on Trust Wallet, then there's no point in moving it. The only time that I would move it to Coinbase, which is what I did back in the day with Shiba Inu, when Coinbase first listed Shiba Inu, is I would move it if Coinbase Retail adds it to their platform, because your liquidity there's going to be very minimal to no slippage on it, because I guarantee you that the order books are going to be so packed and everybody's going to be rushing in to buy it, where you could probably make more money, and instead of selling and pushing the price down, you'll actually be able to get true value for it. So I'm going to buy gold and silver. I'll start buying back crypto, BTC and ETH, and all the above. Thanks for looking at it. Yeah, of course. Yeah, that's a really good sign that Coinbase added USOR to their DEX trading platform. So this is really good. Oh yeah, what's silver doing, by the way? It's having some sort of retracement. Oh no, are we done? It almost hit our target at 124.60. Wow. Look at that. It technically broke into our box, right? We said it's gonna top out here, and this is the next major area of resistance. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, I think it's a meme. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I'm looking at it on the hourly. Did you just buy this coin? Like, it just came out right now. This coin came out 2 hours ago. Yeah, this coin literally came out 2 hours ago. And it did a 200%. And you're only up 20 bucks? Once in a lifetime, get some Bitcoin. Yeah, I'm definitely buying BTC. I'm gonna definitely be buying and then selling when we're in the bull market. But yeah, I'm in no rush, and I know you guys are like, well, why are you only buying 0.002 BTC? But it's because I don't underestimate the bear market, and I'm like, this thing's probably gonna come all the way back down somewhere here, and that's when I'm gonna be buying a lot more. So I'm super patient with it. I think it's going a lot further down than people may think. We good. Silver still bullish. Bought at 5.015. Oh no, so you're down now. Dude, you actually you absolutely bought the top. I hope you didn't put a lot of money in, but I hope this thing continues because, man, you're only looking at 136,000 market cap. So, very small market cap. Silver chart looks like more of an alt chart. Yeah, like years of selling followed by a massive rally, basically. Of course not, I'm just letting it play out. That's good. Wow, 64% of the chat is still bullish. And we got 36% of the chat bearish. And we just had a 6% correction today. Wow. Oh, which brings me to, let's look at the messages and see if anybody asked for anything. If we got any comments or anything. Let's see. Some guy wrote on USOR bullish. We really need top holders 5% or below, and that would help with the supposed diversified wallets from founder for a scam. Then it would be a bull run. But wait, what did he say? Dude, I don't even know what he said. All right, let's see. Everything follows BTC. We just have to wait and see. Maybe we get lucky and make some money. Oh, and Dogelon on Mars. Yeah. Yeah, no messages. Wow. Okay, well, we got that. BTC between 30 to 39K bottom. You might see 25K, but doubt it. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I mean, I definitely do think we are going to 57,000 at least. But I do think we are going to have a nasty sell-off even past that. I mean, that literally coincides perfectly with the 382 support, which technically still leaves it bullish on the macro time frame. And, I do think that we're probably going to go a little bit lower than that, which makes sense because every single time although you have used the 200-day moving average as support multiple times, sometimes you do just get these, you know, random sell-offs under this area. Even here, you broke the 50-day, sorry, the 200-day moving average for May, June, July, August, and October. 6 months. It was 6 months of bearishness, and then you finally broke back over it on the weekly. So yeah, I think we're definitely headed down there, and that's where I'm planning to buy most of my BTC, starting in the 50,000s. But there's no point in looking at that right now because we're not even at 70,000 yet. So there's really no point in looking at that for me. Hidden Bull, welcome. I'm in a short that is the same size of my BTC holdings after leverage. I win the same amount as I lose. What does that mean? What are you shorting? What are you shorting? Are you shorting BTC after the 6% dip? Hedge? No, never mind. That's not it. Yeah, shorting BTC and holding BTC. Oh my gosh. Wait, why would you do that? If so, basically you're not making any money doing that. I guess technically it's a win-win for you, right? I think it's a win-win for you. Yeah, ever since we started the live stream, Bitcoin's already dropped almost 1%. Wow. You can make money going down, man. It's in a wallet that if I turn it into USD will cost me taxes. Got it. Okay. So I'm trying to keep it from losing value with a short. Got it. That makes sense. This pair has very little liquidity. Who asked about this? It was Hitachi, right? No, it was Abolisher, right? Triple T in the house, man. Let's check out some coins. Yeah, like, how am I supposed to make money posting videos? Oh, hey, Triple T, I have to show you this because, bro, check this out. Let me roll up my analytics. Let me pull up this video. I guess, yeah, so, yo, check this out. Does this show anything or no? Show anything good? Okay. So you know that video I made on USOR a couple days ago when the price went up like drastically? Look at this. Bro, this is what I'm talking about. Like when you guys come in here and I sort by coins that are up a lot and the coins that are pumping. Yo, look at this. Oh my God, we're really going down now. Guys, oh, we're capitulating on the live stream. Anyway, look, bro, just off of the ad revenue, I made $10 on this coin that I posted 2 days ago. So that's what I'm talking, and watch hours are even crazy, and I got 23 subs on it. So that's crazy, right? I just wanted to show you that because I know you're probably going to get excited about that because this is your coin, and I've been posting videos on it, and it got 1.4K views, and I got $9 for it, $9.83 for it, which is really good, which is really good. Yeah, BTC is cooked. I'm going to bed early. I've been going to bed early. Yeah, usually we, like my wife and I, we go to bed very early. But that's also because I wake up very early. I wake up at like 5, 6 a.m. every single day. Yeah. But I enjoy it. I just like waking up and just getting as much stuff done as I can. And then everything else just becomes very, okay, nice. I'll leave you a comment to see if it helps. You don't have to, no worries. Just the views. The views, like, I just showed you $9. I get $10 per 1.4K views. Yeah, and that's good. Triple T, that's a good point because you said that's good. More views, we both make money because more people are like, oh, what the hell is this coin? It just got listed on Coinbase. Oh, what is this coin? It's up like 200%. It's up a lot more than that, but yeah, it's up a lot more than that. But like just from when this dip happened, which I feel like was last week, you're up 400%. Hey, did you move yet, by the way? Or no, you're moving next week. You're moving next week. That's right. Taking a look at US oil, USOR on the live stream. So nothing's changed from our last video. Man, I really don't want to use that wick, but I guess technically I don't have to use it, but yeah, I'm not going to use it because I don't think in our last video we used it anyway. So you had a 618 retracement, although you didn't really, you almost came and tagged it. Price does need to break 3 cents 11. Good thing is that as long as price is over 1 cent 677, then you're looking at consolidation. You're still maintaining this uptrend, and you're still very bullish on the macro time frame. This coin did just come out not too long ago, so January of this year. So just keep that in mind. Once we break 3 cent 60, previous highs in play, and then once you break this area, then price discovery up to 43 cents would be the next target. It is relatively a small market cap coin, so it has a lot of upside potential, but just be careful. Obviously be careful. And actually seeing this and looking at it on the live stream, and a couple people in here have this coin, it says, they say that it's on Coinbase's DEX tools, which is crazy because it usually takes a lot of time and a long time, and some coins that have been out a lot longer haven't been listed on the decentralized app for Coinbase just yet. So it's pretty interesting to see that this gentleman and other people can now buy USOR on Coinbase's DEX app. I will keep you updated. None of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bam! If I get another 1.4K views, that's another $10. Let's go. That's good. Oh, I read that. Coinbase says it's up 500K plus in 30 days. Yeah, but didn't it also come out like at 0? Like they're actually using, yeah, they're using this, man. You see this right here? So technically it was released here, and yeah, it's up like over 1,000,000%. So even more than that, but they're just using that. How many people viewed your analysis on XCN? I don't know, let's see. Let's see. So you said that picture you seen? Yeah, wait, what are you talking about, Triple T? How many views, analysis on XCN? XCN was a banger. It was, yeah, it does really good. It used to do a lot good too, a lot better. Um, 300, 200, 500, we're up 47%, so obviously it's 500 views, so I made like $4 on that video. Um, Pump alert, like obviously we had a massive pump, 750 views, 600 views. So yeah, I post weekly update videos though. So yeah, 4 days ago, yeah, for the most recent video we posted on XCN, got 131 views. So that comment of USR on Coinbase, this right here, you wrote, "Oh my God, it's on Coinbase now." You wrote that, right? Is SCI losing support? I mean, you have, yeah, I mean, you still have, you still have support here at 9 cents, but yeah, it looks very, 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 bearish. So, yeah, I mean, you've already lost support, so there is no other support. I guess the next major area of support would be on the shorter time frame, all-time lows incoming, and it would be 6 cents 80 would be the next low for SCI. But I mean, you could still arguably come down here and double bottom and then start breaking out of this downtrend. But that's just pure hopium. I don't know how low it's going to go. And if we're in a bear market, then this thing is cooked. So nothing goes to zero though. So just you are going to get bounces like you've done every single time you've sold off. So just FYI. Thank you. You're welcome. That's my pick. Yeah, that's, I guess, yeah. I guess you can buy it on Dex Tools. Let's go on Coinbase. That's pretty good. All right, let's see. Yeah, so I guess we could look at Canton. That's 10% up. So, you know, sometimes you post these videos and surprisingly, like it's up 10% on 24 hours, but it does have like some sort of major continuation. So you know, I wake up in the morning, I'm like, oh wow, like this one got a lot of views. That's perfect actually. Look at this. This perfectly came down. Taking a look at Canton Network CC on the live stream. So a couple things to note. From the low to the high, we actually held support. So in our last video, we said if it comes down and retest this area of support, then 11.50 to 13 cents needs to hold. What's perfect is that although you did get a sell-off below that, you never actually ended up closing below this area of support. So that's really good. It obviously signaled great strength for Canton. Now we're breaking out. So now you're getting a double top and a breakout. So I don't need to change anything with the chart. The next all-time high is in play right now. And that's price discovery and price action up to 37 cents. I will keep you updated. None of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. Thank you so much for your support. Technically, as of right now, this is still support, so you could still come back down and retest this, make a higher low, and still validate this uptrend. I will keep you updated, and I'll catch you in the next video. Layer 0. Let me see how that video did. Because I made a video on layer 0. Layer. No, that's layer 3. Layer 0. Yeah, 6 days ago, 45 views. Yeah, no views. Lame. And then everything else is like less than 0.1%. That's great. Yeah, we're really going down, huh? We are really going down. Brace yourselves. Yeah, this is... How many people do we have in here? Yeah, we peaked at 16. We're at 14 right now. 14 concurrent viewers. So that is how you know it's bearish. I seen a dude post that on X, so I went and checked on Coinbase and seen it was there. Yeah, hey, congratulations, man. That is awesome. It is the nicest feeling. I wish I see that. I wish one day I wake up and Dogelon is Dogelon's like on Coinbase or on Robinhood. Imagine if it ends up being on Robinhood. That's crazy. Taking a look at Dogelon Mars on the live stream, making an update video on Dogelon Mars. So nothing's changed, but we're live, and I figured I'd make a video on it because we've been looking at a lot of different coins right now. Obviously, market had a nasty correction, and we already know the next area of support for Dogelon is going to be around 7.029, 7.030. That is the next landing pad, like we've said in the past. 41 was the previous one, and we've kind of monitored it. If you've been tracking and watching the weekly update videos for Dogelon, you would know exactly where the major areas of support are. You know, we could still get some sort of retracement and some sort of relief rally, recovery rally, protection bounce, whatever you want to call it. But for it to be very bullish, we do have a lot of resistance to break, which we have boxed here. I'm not going to overextend and say any other targets on the upside because we still need to break this area. Once we do that, then we could redraw everything and say, hey, we actually put in a bottom. But until that happens, in my opinion, either you're establishing a base here or 7.029 is the next landing pad. None of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. I will keep you updated, and thank you so much for your support. Hidden bull for 2 beans. Let's go. Thank you. I really appreciate that. That's the first super chat of the night and 38 minutes in. Let's go. Hey, man, any super chat is better than no super chat. So thank you so much for that. And let me know if there's anything you want me to look at for you. It's a slow night, so, or if you want to see my cat, I could just hold her up, and that way, you know, it makes sense. Oops. You know, that way you made me work for the 2 beans. I guess it'll be fun to look at BTC on the 15-minute candles. Oh my gosh. Wow. Whoa, bears are coming in. We're at 5.6. We're at 5.6% is bear. 44% is bull. Oh, you know what? 44% is bear. 56% is bull. Let's look at Litecoin. Is it actually in my area of support yet? No, it's not. Taking a look at Litecoin on the live stream. So I guess our target is still valid at $58 to $62. Personally, that's where I would start buying and start a position with Litecoin. And then after that, obviously, dollar cost average, which playing it very conservatively, we'll look at the next areas of support. As long as on the macro time frame it's under $70, it is still bearish, and I'd say bullish over $99. But we're far, far away from that, so we'll just have to wait. And Bitcoin's obviously going down right now, so oh wow, it's really going down. Did you see that? I just clicked back in here, and this giant red candle just spawned in on the 15-minute. But anyway, I will keep you updated. None of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll catch you in the next video. Yeah, that's going to get no views. Oh my gosh, man. Look at how... Oh, wow. That's crazy. What's going on? Oh, I know. It's a bear market. Hidden Bull says, yeah, BTC is looking for that 77K area big time. Is that your next area of support? Where'd you get that? Where'd you get that from? Yeah, where'd you get that from? We got 83. 81, 73, I guess 78,000 support. Yeah, we have so much support. 67,000. I mean, there's a million different ways to draw that. 61,000, 81,000 technically. But I'm just going to use like the most common one in my opinion. Oh, we are really going down. Well, at least we're all here together losing value. So at least we have each other. That's you hear the sirens, like the world's going to crap. The world's going to, yeah, crap. I can't say the other word. Oh, wow. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh, we're back. We're back, guys. We're back. Oh, okay. All right, that's it. We are officially back. That needed to happen. We're now getting a nice little bounce. Oh, never mind. Pack your bags, guys. Pack your bags. We're going to zero. Hey. Hey. What are you doing? See, at least I have my cat, where it's what do you call it? An emotional cat, emotional support cat. Yeah, I mean, what are we supposed to look at here? Like, how am I supposed to, like, what am I supposed to look at this? Like, everything just went red. I guess Canton still did it in layer 0. Am I actually, like, looking at layer 0? Hey, what's up? You want to sit over here? Here you go. Or you don't want to sit there? Alright. Let's see. Dang. Here we go. Yeah, we're back. Yeah, we're back. We're back, guys. Oh, no, never mind. We're going back down. Hey, everyone. Hope you're doing well. Metal Detecting England. Did you sell that bounce, or do you still have Jasmine? This chart is drawn for you. Technically, I mean, you're still fine. I think you're still fine. But, I mean, once you break 205, then there is no more support, man. So, you really have to figure out what you're going to do with your bag. I mean, if you're holding it to next cycle, then it doesn't really matter. But, oh my gosh. Oh, ow. Oh my gosh. Dude, what's going on with Elon? Oh, no. Oh, no. No, I still have all of it. It's fine. You're going to be fine. Hopefully we get a recovery rally. Hopefully you bottom out here and you don't have to worry about it, man. And just, I mean, just to give you some hopium, you already saw your account at 50K. So I guess it doesn't really matter if it comes back down because you already knew. There are longs to liquidate down to 80K. Oh my gosh, man. My 0.002 BTC, I'm losing so much money on it. My $180 that I bought is now worth... Oh, yeah, I spent... My $240 of BTC is now worth $160. Sorry, it was 180. I'm down $20 on my BTC. Oh my gosh. Whoa, like, are we, like, what's going on? Yo. And why do we have 20 people in here? Why do you, I guess misery loves company, right? Like, this is brutal. Oh, we're back. We're back. We're back. Everybody calm down. Everyone calm down. We're back. We are back. It's Bajornabek. Welcome. I mean, I feel like I should have popcorn. I really feel like I should have popcorn right now. We could all just, like, eat popcorn and watch this. Root row raggy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's dropping. Check BTC. We're watching BTC right now. Mateo, welcome to the end of the world, I guess. I will remember this day, January 29th. Yeah, because we're all watching it together. So in the future, when you come to the live streams, we're gonna be like, hey, do you remember that one day where where we were live streaming and BTC dropped by 3% in literally, which is how much? It's a lot of money. Yeah. Hey, do you remember that one day that BTC dropped by $2,500 on the live stream? It's not even over yet. Are you responsible for the crash? Yeah, it's because I went live, dude. We're going to 75K. That's I think we're going to 70K, but what do I know? 70K is my next buying price for BTC. And man, dude, imagine Litecoin actually going down to my area of support and I could actually buy Litecoin. Yeah, look at this. Stop buying crypto, buy silver and gold. Yeah, Triple T, I personally would never buy anything that has this kind of chart, okay? Like, you can do whatever you want, and I understand, but if you think that I will ever buy anything that has a chart like this and start a position at this level, you are out of your mind, because I would never do that. Anyway, that's just what I wanted to say, but you can do whatever you want. Hey man, you're making it, dude. You made it this bull run, or I guess you made it during the bear market, right? Oh wow, $64. Wait, hold on. Am I gonna get the opportunity to buy Litecoin? Because I have support at Litecoin. Oh, Litecoin just had a nasty sell-off and it actually hit my area of support. Oh my god, look at this. It hit our box perfectly. Wow. Yeah, but I'm greedy. I want to get I would get it at like under like in the 50s, like $50 because I'm greedy. I don't want to really start a new position right now. So I have a buy order for LTC at $58. Yeah, that's good. We have support here at $58. So you might wake up tomorrow and your buy order might have gone through. That's a really good area to buy in my opinion. We just started. I bought one 100-gram bar of gold back in 2010 and two 20-gram bars. Hell, dude, you need to sell right now. You're going to be selling the top. I hate Trump. Fogo on my chart flipping bull on the 1 hour and 4 hour. Yeah, hey, if, Mateo, I might actually buy it with you if it goes down that low. Just starting a position there. It'll be another 8% dip, which is crazy if we actually get that. I see some green. Oh, wait, never mind. Is that what you're going to say? Oh, you wrote, oh, wait. I said that before you wrote, oh, wait. That's funny. I see some green. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Oh, wait again. Look, it's green again. It's green. Hey, we might be back. We might be back. Fogo. Like BOGO, but with an F. Let's see. Okay, first of all, we need to change this. This coin just came out. You already had a 618 retracement? Yeah, you already had a 618 retracement. Wait, is this is that coin that we talked about? But Jornebek, this is literally the coin that we said, hey, 4 cents 50 was the next target, and it actually hit it. Did you end up selling? Yeah, this is before we hit this area. I mean, this was literally just last night. Are you holding all of it? We're almost back. It's still, oh, we're going to zero. My 100-gram bar cost me 1,400 pounds or euros. I think that's pounds. Back in 2010. I was gonna buy at $1,400 worth of Bitcoin, but I listened to my colleague at the time, and he told me to buy gold. It's okay. You're still like up 3,000-4,000 pounds or whatever, or euros on silver, so you're doing fine, man. And you still have one BTC, and you have 100,000 Jasmine. I think you're killing it, man. You're doing a lot better than the majority of the people probably in the chat. You have one full Bitcoin, you have 100,000 Jasmine, you have a bunch of gold and a bunch of silver. Like, you're fine, man. It might be down, but I think you're doing good. It's all like relative, man. If you ever feel bad, just remember that you're probably doing better than a lot of people. Which really, I guess you shouldn't. But whatever works, man. And no, I haven't moved yet. Next month sometime, so I'll be ready. I need my space. I thought you were... Oh, okay, so it's next month. Oh, yeah, next month is next week. Bajornabek says yes, no. I hold my... Is ice cream? Is cream of cream? Fogo gonna pump now to 6 cents and be up 70%. Okay, but once you start breaking this area and once you start getting up to 10 cents, then that's when... I mean, yeah, we'll keep looking at the targets on the upside. You're just gonna have to decide at what point you want to sell. Calypso says SEI in the green now. Hey, what is my cat doing here? No, it's not. It's still all the way down, unless you're looking at it on the like a 1 hour chart. My gold is 100 grams. Is now worth 12,000 euros. Nice. I'm just panicking about Jasmine. Yeah, I would too. But we already talked about this, so I don't know what else we can say. You're in a really tough situation. Because I remember Vision was even telling you about this. Like, hey, you have an opportunity to sell, but you might be selling resistance and they might go to the moon. But if you do sell, at least you turn your 50K into $100,000. But if we don't break this area or clear it, then you are going to come back down. So you're just risking it coming down, and you're hoping for consolidation over this area of support, followed by turning bullish again and then attempting to break out again. That's what you're waiting for right now. But unfortunately, as the price gets closer and closer to this area of support, then you risk a bigger capitulation back down to these lows. So I understand. It's tough. I just hope they'll be back next run. Yeah, I mean, don't even look at your portfolio then. If you're holding it until the next bull run, bro, we are 3 years out. We are 2 to 3 years out. So there's literally no point in even looking at your portfolio. Old high is 10 cents. Can you look at CC, cup, and handle? It's above target, I think, to break out. I actually just looked at this. This was one of the coins we literally just looked at and made a video on. Yeah, right now 37 cents is in play. Yeah, we just looked at this coin because I was looking at, I showed Triple T, the US oil video I made me like $9, and that's why we go over here and we look and we sort it by 24 hours, because I want to see like what coins are doing up good. And it's good when you have a bunch of coins that are up like 30%, 40%. But right now everything's red, so there's really nothing to look at. And for some reason we have like 30 people in here, even though Bitcoin's going down. So that's doesn't make any sense, but it is what it is. Oh my, hey, what's up? Hey. Oh my gosh. Oh. Hey, what do you want? Are you bored? Do you want to play? I'm sorry, I'll be live for another 5 minutes, okay? And then we can play with the laser. She loves the laser game. Alright, let's see. Chat, go buy Fogo. Look at Bajornabek shilling Fogo in the live stream. That's funny. I'm gonna pump because cross on 4 hours. It's gonna pump because cross on 4 hours. Mathael says, also awesome. You should get in man with LTC. Let's do it. Yeah, I don't. I do think it's a good play, but I'm not gonna buy it prematurely. I'm definitely gonna wait until a good buying opportunity. And who knows? This selling might not have. This selling might have just started, so we really don't know. Londo or Amelia's bracelet says, "I'm not giving up." Spoken like a true warrior. Londo, welcome back to the live stream. I haven't seen you in like months. What's up, boss man? Well, as for me, I just went shopping for another 5 million Toshi. Yo. Let's go. Toshi to the moon. Toshi to the moon. We haven't looked at Toshi in a while. Yeah, so, I mean, technically you're buying support and technically our chart is still playing out. We said you had resistance here at this box. We came up and tagged it technically, so traders took profits. And you got smacked back down, and we have support at 24. So RSI is almost oversold. Hopefully you're creating some sort of bullish divergence here where you make a higher low on the RSI and then you make a lower low on the price and then you get that explosive move out of here. So yeah, I mean, right now, if I was you, I would just be hoping that it stays over 24. As long as it bases over 24, I mean, it's still very bullish. You're still in this uptrend. You're still making higher highs. You saw resistance at 39 to 48, which as of today is around a 50 to 95% pump. So a clean break over that should reverse or change the sentiment, and you should hopefully get bullish again. So we'll keep looking at it for you. And welcome back. Welcome back to the live stream. If I ever become a millionaire, expect a nice donation, my friend. Metal Detecting England. Don't even sweat it. Don't worry about it. I appreciate you saying that. That is awesome. Let's just focus on you first becoming a millionaire. And then the other part of that is let's just focus on you actually keeping your million. Because it's one thing to make money, as I always tell my friends and everything, or whoever I need to tell it to. It's one thing making money, but it's another thing keeping it. So it says a lot about you. So, you know, and your character, which is really good if you can manage to hold it. So I know you're saying that, but if you ever become a millionaire, which you have a chance because you have like 200K in the market. So you're looking at a 5X, man. So like it's not... U.S. oil just did an 8X, you know. These other coins that we look at just did 10 to 20 X's in 2 months. So you are definitely one of the people in here that has a really good start, first of all, based on your portfolio, but also in a pretty good position. So let's focus on you making it, and then most importantly, selling, getting out, and not buying back in and getting chopped up. So making it is one thing, holding it is another. So make sure you hold it too. And the reason why I say that is because you're saying you're going to donate it to me. But, I mean, I'm not going to turn down money, but you got to make sure you're okay first, right? Because my cut is like going to be 500,000. So, you know, there's no point in, I don't want a donation if it ain't going to be 500K. Ugh. Man, I heard meowing outside. It's like, what's going on? The outdoor cats are probably hungry. Let's see. If alt season starts and L1 run, Fogos, L1 on Solana. Demon, welcome to the chat, man. Welcome to the chat. Damn, that's why I'm going to stocks now. Crypto became for millionaires and billionaires. They screwed the average people now. Bad Cops, first time here. How do you feel about my coin? How do you feel about Mog? I was like, how do you feel about my coin? Well, how do I feel about Mog coin? I don't care. I don't have it. I don't know it. But I know a couple of members here have it. And I know a couple of big whales that hold a lot of Mog. So in terms of price action goes, just like everything else, we have it charted out. I don't need to change the chart right now. We said we had support here at 22, which we are respecting. And we said traders will be taking profits here at 34 to 48. If price doesn't break here, you will come back down and retest this low. So if I don't know if you watch the weekly update videos, but it's really consistent. We came up, traders took profits, holders got wrecked. What's new? Price that got rejected. Now you're sitting back on support. Typically, when this does happen, you're either going to establish a base and attempt for another breakout once we turn bullish again. But on the downside, you're looking at a bigger move down, and the next move down, we'll just look at the next area of support. I don't want to draw it yet because I'm not going to be making an update video just yet. So that's how I feel about your coin. Hidden Bull says, see you next time. Love your live streams, but I got to run. Hey, man, working out and running is very good for your health, so I don't blame you. Unless you're talking about leaving. In that case, nobody ever has to leave the live streams. Gabriel says, my 1,000 Canadian dollars of Jasmine is now $300. Hey man, you know what you should do? Just take it out and just go to the roulette table and just put it all on one number. Because what is that? What's 300 times 35? Let me see. What the heck? Let's see. Okay. It's 35 odds, right? 35 times 300. 35 times 300. Yo, that's 10,500 Canadian dollars you can have. Abolisher says, Bitcoin just crashed. This is unbelievable. It's always unbelievable. You better get ready for it because during the bear market, there is no dip. You're just going to go straight down and straight down again and straight down again for the next 2 years. 70K is the next landing pad for Bitcoin. Bajornabek says, if we play Game Cat, gonna come and eat my pizza one day. Yes, I will. If I make it, I will come and order $1 million worth of pizza. But I would have to be a billionaire to do that. And then we could just pass it out to people. Abolisher says, everybody's getting cooked right now. Amelia's bracelet says, XCN is holding good. Still green today. Did you do TA on it yet? No, I have not. We looked at it, but I'm not doing an update video on it. But I'll take a look at it for you and give you my opinion. XCN. Yeah, so for XCN, it is holding up really well. So, comparably, it is holding up extremely well. So, same thing, right? We had resistance here at 74 to 1. A breakout should have sent us to 1 cent 80. That's still in play. Traders took profits here. I mean, as they should have. It was 200% pump, which is a lot. And you came back up. You got rejected here, so now you're coming back down. It is holding up extremely well, so you really want to see price action get back over into resistance, because once we consolidate and when we turn bullish again, then you are looking at 1 cent 80 being the next target on the upside. And again, like I always say, that's where traders are going to be taking profits, unless $1 billion worth of volume just comes in and pushes the price up. So that's what I think. Yeah, XN is holding up extremely, extremely well. Aloe says, double bottom, you think, Meow? I don't think it's ever a double bottom. Come on, really? I think it's like a bottom followed by a hopium. I had some white guy come eat my pizza in Thailand. They say it's top of its class. I'm excited. Could you do technical analysis on Altcoin? I already did. I literally did it because you said, can you look at my coin? Right? You literally said Altcoin, right? You said, how do I feel about Altcoin? I just looked at it. Bajornabek says, oh, okay, so you wrote thank you. Okay, got it. I'm just reading slow. Sorry, I'm a slow reader. I'm trying to read all the chat. USR and USR traded on Coinbase app, people. We need to bounce back. All I have to say about MOG is one guy is holding $20 million worth of MOG. Pepe Elon, lady ship. His total wallet is $1 billion plus. Damn. I gotta find who that guy is. I'm just joking. Metal detecting England. Good night, my friend. It's 2 a.m. here. Better get some sleep. Sit on your Jasmine. They've got good things coming, not financial advice. Yeah, hey, have a good night. I hope your Jasmine comes back. I hope we get some sort of reversal in, and I hope we don't keep going down. So, no BTC going down till January, y'all, for January 2027. Watch like January 2023. What's Vision's intro? He needs to bring it back. Oh, hey, what's up, JY's Adventures? How is your coin doing? Are you still in Monad or no? Please tell me you're not, but are you still in Monad? Or did you end up like taking your money and running? Bansbeal, welcome. Fernando says $50 profit on the track now. Let's go. $50, that's a nice meal. Yo, BTC 82K, how low we going? On the macro time frame, you already know what I think, because you watch the Bitcoin videos, right? I think 70K is definitely in play. Sean says, hey Meow, brave of you to be live during the bloodbath. Man, I got cooked in so many ways possible. Yeah, we're live every single day, man. I gotta grow my channel in this bear market, so we have to be live every single day in order for that to happen. Waiting for my check to drop in tonight and buy some more coins. My gut says we're gonna bounce hard. Good luck, man. JY Adventures, Bitcoin's going to zero. If it's not a digital coin, it's worth it. Is Swiftcoin cooked? What's up, Zombie? We'll take a look at Swiftcoin. Zoinbase even dipped more. Well, yeah, I mean, I don't even know how. It's only a set 8,000 market cap. I don't know how this coin is even going lower. No, it's still here. Yeah, it's still here. Yeah, it's only 8,000 market cap, so you're really gambling. Oh, what's up, Paul? What's up? I made the live. Nights of Insomnia, welcome. Yeah, we've been live for an hour and 8 minutes, but I don't want to leave because we got like over 30 people in here. And I think you guys want to see this thing go to zero on the live stream, so I guess I will stay live. I will stay live for this big capitulation that's probably going to happen. Man, Pepe is holding up better than a lot of coins, always buying the red days. Nobody knows. He might do that with only memes. 1 billion with memes. He has 20% of all coins I hold. Sean says BTC already bounced from 76K. If it goes there again, it isn't the cycle already over? Yeah, so I think that the cycle was over in October of 2025. Once we broke 103, once we broke, 103 support. So I actually called it here, but I think we've been in a bear market, and we're going to look back and say, oh my God, we've been in a bear market for the past 6 months or 5 months, however long it's been. I just hold some memes on Monad now. That's good. Defeat. Floofin, welcome. Welcome to the live stream. Hey Meow, what an epic dump today. I know. It was so hard to flush, but luckily I got it down. Memes. Zoinbase is supposed to be on Coinbase. Is supposed to be the Coinbase of Solana memes. Tons of liquidity. 88 to 100K. I see it getting up there. We will have a huge spike back. Welcome, Silver for days. We'll have a huge spike back up, hopefully. Got my BTC listing order set on the order books. Where is your buy price? 70K? Mine's at 70K. I know you guys don't get it, like, because you guys are making, you guys are going to be like, what, 0.002, you're never going to make it with that. But you guys got to understand, like, I think it's going to go a lot lower than 70K, so I would never put in a lot of money at these levels. So that's why I bought 0.002 here during this dip at around 80K, 83K, whatever it was. And then 70K is the next area that I'm buying 0.002 BTC. And once we start breaking, and I know that's only $140, but I don't care. I know in the future, I know in the next 3 years, I'm going to get my money back at least, if not more. So I know my money's going up. So we'll see. Yeah, we got a green candle, but it's followed by a red. Dude, this thing's going to like, this is what I think's going to happen. We'll see though. How many people do we have in here? We've got 30 bogeys in the chat. Welcome. If you guys haven't hit the like button and the subscribe button, see, now it's getting to that point where I have to get people to be like, or where now I have to say, hey guys, please subscribe and help me get to 10,000 subscribers. Should I start doing that right now? We might as well. We'll just watch Bitcoin go down and, hey guys, please subscribe to my channel. Help me get to 10K. Help me get to 100K so I can get the 100K plaque. That would be great. I want the YouTube play button plaque. Let me see. Where is this at? Channel analytics. Analytics. What is this? Subscribers. No. There we go. All right, we could have this up actually. Let's go. So we've only gotten a couple hundred in the last come on guys, let's see these subs go up. Come on, hit the like, hit the sub button. Let's go. We're gonna be live until I get to 8,800, and then we'll be live until I get to 9,000 and then 10,000. Come on guys, Bitcoin's going down. The least thing that you can do is subscribe. Let's see. I have set orders all the way down to 70K. That's good. If we're talking about the real bottom, even 40K would not be out of the reach. Last cycle, it went from, it went down to 16. I know. It went down to 16K. From what? Hey, I just gained one and I lost one. All right, that's kind of messed up. Yeah, I know. People underestimate how low it's gonna go. Do you remember that guy last week came in here and said that we're never gonna see under 90,000? It's sad. Futures aren't even down that much. It went down to 16K because 4 bankruptcies and FTX and Luna crash. Silver and gold crashing now. Yo, let's go. 4 more people. Come on, subscribers. Help me out. Help me out. My Bitcoin's going down. My 0.002 Bitcoin's going down. So you guys, all you have to do is just hit subscribe. You don't even have to send me money. I'm not asking for money. I'm asking for subscribers. You could ignore my channel. Just subscribe. It's going below 50 to 60K crypto for 12 years. I'm going to 100x short at 78K. After this dump, we will have more than that's it. Pi cycle always correct. It's calling 50, 60K bear market is half over. Bear market is technically, I mean, if we do look back and say that it did start in October, then yeah, we should be bottoming out sometime this year. We should probably get a big capitulation, get some sort of bounce, and then at the end of the year, get some sort of capitulation, and then that's all. And then the next bull market should start sometime in 2028, right? Yeah, 28. I know that sounds like it's very far, but it's very, very, very close. Like it's only 2 years out. I'd say the lowest we go is around 64K. I disagree. I think we're going much lower than 64K. Lowest around 55K. I disagree. I think we're going way lower. The triple T, I think you and I are like the close. I think that your idea of where Bitcoin is headed is very close to where I think Bitcoin is headed. And whoever unsubscribed, you're officially banned from the channel for unsubscribing. So I've been subscribed. I know. I subscribed yesterday because you're the only one that talks about SEI so far. Yeah, no worries. And again, you can always come in here and always ask for me to look at your coins, and we'll always look at your coins. That's what we do. So it's very, it's very simple in terms of, oops. You just come in here and say, hey, can you give me an update? The problem with this is that there is no update. So like What am I supposed to tell you? Double bottom, and then we get a breakout. On the macro time frame, you're bearish as long as it's under 17 cents, bullish over 24 cents. You already know it's bearish because unfortunately the price is all the way back down to October 2023. I guess, and I know you're not trading it, so there's no point in giving you short-term support. Short-term resistance. But if you were trading it, and this is where traders will be taking profits, given that we have some sort of relief rally and some sort of bounce, you're looking at resistance between 13 and 16 cents, which keep in mind that is still under the macro 236 of resistance, which means that it's still bearish on the macro time frame, even if you do get that move, which is why I'm saying traders will be taking profits because you're at least looking at 36 to 65% pump. Anyways, that's all I gotta say about that. Let's look at BTC now. Yeah. Meow, I'm happy for you though. Buy that BTC, you won't regret it. Yeah, no more, dude. No more meme coins at all. It's just BTC, BTC Maxi, BTC Maxi for life. That's it. I'll be buying BTC in September, October this year. Good man. Good man. I don't think it goes low because MicroStrategy, bro, I think MicroStrategy is cooked. Even Vision and Ben Cohen said BTC is not going below 50 to 60K. Yeah, man, I have to, if it doesn't, I have to send him 300 and, I have to send him super chats every single week for in 2027. If it doesn't go in the 20,000s, which I will do it, obviously. I mean, I would probably super chat him now if he freaking goes live anytime soon, but I guess he's been living under a rock. Like, hello? I don't care about your, like, 2 Dogecoin videos, bro. Like your 2 Dogecoin videos that nobody watch. No, I'm just joking. Imagine. Like, nobody watches. I mean, he gets a lot of views on him. Yeah, look at this. Oh, I guess I haven't liked this one.
Is feeling unwelcome. Now
Good evening to the Dogecoin Moon Boys.
Oh, the white shirt.
the
He's been wearing the
Moon
white shirt a
Girls.
lot. It's funny because 2 hours ago it wasn't even. It still didn't
Welcome
capitulate, and
to
now
another
we're all the way
nightly
down
dose
here.
of Doge.
Welcome to another daily dose of Doge, where it's bearish because it's always bearish, forever and ever. Yeah, he needs to bring that back, man. I gotta go comment on his video, help his video out. Let's see. M-Box, Ben is always right too. It follows the pi cycle. 40K way. You think BlackRock would let that happen? Yes, I do. But a part of me doesn't feel like it's going there just yet because all the people that's never stepped in crypto this cycle, profits from metals is yet to come to BTC. 40K maybe still bottom. Is 10% meme coins and 90% top 20 coins a good portfolio? It just depends. I didn't do that, but now I'm literally only doing Bitcoin. So I don't even want to think about any like diversification. I'm just going to try to make some money in Bitcoin during the next cycle and buying all the way down. So that's my goal. Yeah, where is Vision, man? I wish he would go live again. I don't think 126K was the top at all. 2x from the last top is just too shabby. Last top with 8x, and then the previous one was a lot more. It's the law of diminishing returns. So, thoughts on USOR crypto? Oh, don't even get Triple T started on that. He's the USOR whale here. So we actually already made a video on it, and I'm going to be posting the video afterwards. But there's really nothing to look at. I mean, we're just waiting for a breakout right now. I mean, I know that sounds really boring, but you already had oh, yeah, that's right. I didn't use the wick. So you already almost had a 618 retracement, which arguably you did, because if you do use the wick, then you did. But I'm not going to use that scam wick, this nasty sell-off. It is bullish as long as we stay over this area of, which is previously resistance flip support, 3 cents, 10, 8 cents, and then price action up to, price discovery up to 41 cents. As of right now is still in play. I mean, also you're just keep in mind you're in an upward channel right now, so in an even bigger channel, I guess you can even argue that. So that's what I think about it, but not financial advice, just my opinion. All right, I'm not gonna end my live stream until I get to 8,800. So we got 30 viewers in here, I think. So if you're not subscribed, we got 32 viewers in here. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel so I can go and wind down, because we've been live for an hour and 20 minutes and I've been up since like 6 a.m. So please do it for my health. Please subscribe. Let's go. See, bam. One more and maybe I'll leave. Come on. Give me one more. Thank you. Hey, whoever subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate it. You're like helping me get one step closer to my bed. Thank you. I just need one more and then I'll leave, okay? Just one more and then I'll leave. Let's see. I took 50% off the table on my favorite play retire. Oh yeah, that's right. Let me check that for you. Once I get... Oh! Let's go. I lied. I'm not leaving. But thank you so much for the other subscriber. Let's go. Freaking... There we go, man. Getting that sub in. I'm not leaving though right now. It's like that. It's like the Wolf of Wall Street. I'm not leaving. Yeah. Oh, you took... So, yeah, you took 50% off. Let me see. I took 50% off the table on my favorite play retire, which is this one. But I will go back in like a mofo because it's barely a 1 mil market cap. You're right. And with 500 locked liquidity, you are correct. Locks permanently. That is true. Yeah, that's not a bad play. You put you downsize your position, which isn't bad because you recognize the fact that we might be bearish temporarily. So that's not bad. So it's pretty good. It's pretty good. I mean, support, I guess, like, yeah, I mean, you have support here at 2012. And then 201 would be the next area of support. Keep in mind, you really want to buy it when the RSI is extremely oversold. Keep in mind that the last time this was the case, it did mark a bottom and you did come up and retest resistance. So I know you're not trading it, but it'll make you feel a lot better to buy the bottom and then be up 200% before basically getting sent back down to the shadow realm. I would take profits at 200%, but you know, you're your own person. You gotta make those decisions yourself. Anyways, thanks, Meow. You're welcome, Silver Days. Thanks for the live videos. You're very welcome. Yeah, we post, for the most part, if your coin isn't going to zero, I will post videos. I clip the videos as I make them because I'm not going to work twice. And then I edit them, and then I post them. Especially if the coin's doing well, because again, I get ad revenue for each video. And if I'm looking at it anyway, and if it does good, then I clip it, and then I post it afterwards. So you guys come in here and you give me material to work with. In return, what I do is I just post the videos and get ad revenue. And then if for whatever reason you guys need to remember the targets or whatever, just go to the channel and search your coin and sort it by the latest. And then you'll see the latest update video. Let's see where I'm at. All right. Whoa. Come on. Come on. Are you kidding me? I lost a subscriber. Unbelievable. It's okay. I didn't want him anyway. BTC did only a 3x last cycle, 2017-18 years top. I subscribe with my other channel too. Let's go. Thank you, Sean. I appreciate that. But unfortunately, someone unsubscribed. So that's not good. Yeah, when has this ever reversed? Like how? Like I don't like how. This is so. When do you ever see this? I mean, granted, it is a 15-minute candle, but how? I don't know if I just look at charts a lot, but When have you ever seen any sort of reversal from here, right? If anything, you're looking at a big capitulation, sideways action, and then a next reversal, making a lower high, and then going down even further. That's literally what it is in the bear market, so we'll see. Alo says, everybody losing thousands of dollars in Meow is worried about 3 subs. Heck yeah, man. Hey, man. If you had that money to put in, then like that's like a risk. That's risk assessment. That's not on me. That is not on me. Like my Dogelon, I put in that money and I'm like, dude, it's going to 0 or it's going to make me like rich. So if it goes down and I lose all my money, then I'm not going to be like, oh, like boo-hoo. I'm going to be like, yeah, I knew. Like I knew it was going to 0, but I held it. Like I'm going to pull a metal detecting England where he knows like, you know, we're going down. Let's go. I got him back. Welcome back to the channel. And I'm not worried about 3, Alo. I'm worried about 2 subs now. Anyway, let's see. I mean, there's really nothing to look at, unfortunately. That's what sucks. You know, back in the day, back like a couple months ago, we would be hitting the 24 hours, and then I would have like 20 videos to work with, over 20%, over 30%. Oh, I'm making like $10 per video, you know, but anyway. Bitcoin going to 80K tonight. Alo, I'm calling it now. If the 401k allocation gets signed, it can hit 1 million this cycle, not going to lie. At least Vision reads the room a little. Yeah, but are you in Vision's live stream? Or are you... Oh, I guess, yeah, technically, yeah, you're right. He does do it when we're going up. But why do I have to do what Vision does? Like, we're going down. Hey, why don't we all go down together? Subscribe, you know? Why can't it be like that, right? Why can't I just do the exact opposite of what some other, you know, YouTuber does? Flip Coins is in the house. I understand your pain. It is freaking brutal. Flip Coins, just type what coins you want me to look at and update for you, or I don't even have to look at them if you don't want to look at them. I would just not look at the portfolio right now and just wait until the selling is done. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know what you want me to do. I'll take a look at your coins, but I feel like I should ask you before I start just looking at your coins, because I don't know if you want me to look at your coins right now. Floofin says my son's birthday was Monday. Happy birthday to little Floofin, to Floofin Jr. My son's birthday was Monday, and today the limit order buys executed for his birthday Bitcoin present from me. Wow, that's really nice. You're buying your son Bitcoin. That's really nice, man. That's really smart. Flip Coins. I buy my son, nephews, and nieces $100. That's funny. It's funny because I told, like, I wanted to do that for my nieces, but I don't think that's gonna happen. But it would be super easy to give them like Bitcoin, you know, for their birthdays and stuff. Very Floofin, happy birthday to your son. Floofin says thanks days. Flipcoin says I'm just chilling, don't even worry about it. Enough said. I will not look at it for you. But we will look at this and we will see if we got any more subs. But Alo told me to read the room, so I might have lost a couple of subs actually, because Alo brought up that fact and brought it out into the daylight instead of just, you know. I don't have to. It doesn't have to be bullish to get subs, right? We got 33 people in here. Are all 33 people in here, or 34 people in here? Are all 34 people in here subs? I don't know, but Bitcoin's going down. Thanks, Meow. You're welcome, Floofin. Yeah, damn. We've been live for an hour and 30 minutes. Hold on, let me go. I need to know how much longer I'm gonna be live, because like if I'm gonna be bored and I'm gonna have nothing to do, then like I might as well just stay live. So give me 1 second. I will be right back. Hey. No. So like 20 minutes Chelsea time. Okay, so 10 minutes. Okay. Just let me know, or when that's done, does that mean you're done? Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna be live for like another like 10, 15, 20 minutes. So anyway, I don't know what we're gonna look at because I don't really have a lot of materials. I guess we could make videos on the top losers and get no views. Maybe I could check that out and see if that makes me money. But come on, 2 more subs, 2 more subs, 2 more subs. What the F is bullish in crypto right now? Nothing. I know, nothing is right now. Layer 0, I don't even want to make a video on this because the last video I posted only got 45 views. Silver Days wants Zebic. Thank God somebody asked for a coin request. Yeah, so for Zebic, we already know. We already talked about it. It's holding up pretty well, though. So it is holding up pretty well. I will say that. I will give you that. I don't need to redraw anything with Zebic. You already know the targets. We have resistance here. As long as we're under this area, then this macro area of support is the next area of support, which I think we're headed to, which is 2011 to 2017. But for whatever reason, if we do break this area, which we did attempt to, this is resistance, and then that will invalidate this support. So once we break, we need to break 33 basically on the top side, and then our target all-time highs, price discovery becomes live at 1.5 cents for Zebic. But as long as we're under this, it is looking bad. This next major area of support is the next area. We are cooked. No, we're cooking. Yeah, damn, that's brutal. Hold on, did I get any more subs? Open Sesame. No, it didn't work. Okay. All right, let's see. Good games. Zebic, please. I read that. Biggest losers. Yeah. How dumb is that if I start making videos on just like, hey guys, it's Crypto Analysis coming at you with another video on Altcoin. It is down 17%. That's it. It's down 17%. Have a great day. It sucks. JR40 BTC was 84 last time I looked an hour ago. Yeah, dude, we're cooked, man. Oh wow, it's about to break. Yeah, are we actually going to 70,000? Oh man, I gotta go tell my wife I can't get off the live stream. Not that like I have time, because can you guys hear that background noise, by the way? Not that it matters, but just let me know if you guys can hear it. Anyway, yeah, are we going to 70K tonight? That's crazy if we do. Astar, I'll take a look at that. The only bullish thing in crypto right now is that is on sale. Years now, we'll look back and say there was such a good buying opportunity. How you think U.S. oil is doing for the past few hours? We already looked at USOR, right? Yeah, it's holding up pretty well. We have support for USOR at previous area of resistance. That's flip support. I'm not using that wick. So yeah, I mean, as long as USOR is over this box, then the targets on the upside are all still live. 3 cents, 4 cents, 70, 8 cents, and then price discovery up to 41 cents. So Swift and Toshi. Oh, Zombie, I forgot you asked for Swift coin. Yeah, taking a look at Swift coin. So it actually did it again. We looked at this a couple of times. Came up to resistance. Traders sold. Traders took profits. Holders got wrecked. You came back down. You retested this low, got another bounce, another opportunity for a breakout, and you double topped here at the 236 at resistance. So I do think 38, 37, 20s, 38, 37 absolutely needs to hold. If it doesn't, chances are, especially because you made a lower high, you came up, you already retested this area, you are probably in for a bigger correction down. But technically, I don't want to say that just yet because price is still making a higher low. It's still over this area of support. So I guess I could say 20s, 38 absolutely needs to hold. If it doesn't, looking back, we're going to say, oh, we got stuck twice, price got rejected, and now we're sitting on the next area of support, which at that time we'll take a look at. Not financial advice, just my opinion. 40 says, wait until April, at least Floofin, you will see better deals. Could be a good comedy bit. What? The fact that everyone's losing money? Oh, wait, we're back. We're back, ladies and gentlemen. I never flinched. I knew we were going to come back. Come on, let's get two more subs. We got 30 people in here. We got 34 people in here. Is everybody subscribed? Please subscribe for daily content. I told Vision we wouldn't make it through the week. We didn't even bounce to 103K. I know, right? US gold reserves just dropped. Oh, man. US gold. Oh, wow. Oh my god. Wait, what the heck? Yo, that's insane. Look at that. It just happened. Oh yeah, just casually down 2% in the last hour, 3%. Price prediction and updates. Well, I'm not making a price prediction on US gold. But the ETFs, Floofin says, for sure, JR, but I'm DCing all the way down, not trying to time it. JY's Adventure says, time for all of us to become Roblox YouTubers and make millions. Yeah, do whatever you have to do, man. Electrolyte says, happy birthday to your son. Very Floofin. Sorry, late couldn't type. I was on a treadmill. Let's go. Get your run in, man. It's Solana coin, US gold.
Announcing on all devices.
Hey Alexa, turn off.
Hooray.
Hey Alexa, stop.
Happy birthday to your son Barry. Sorry, I'm late.
Hey Alexa, stop.
While on the treadmill. Let's go get your running man.
Wait, what? I don't even have. Oh my gosh, man. Hold on, give me a second. Yeah, what the heck was that, man? I didn't even say her name. That's crazy. It started reading like what I was my chat, like what I was saying. What the heck? Let's see. Okay, so this is obviously a gamble coin, right? On Solana. Yeah, I'm not looking at this because this is like another gamble play, man. Buyer exhaustion, Crocs. Can you check it in price prediction? Sure. I can't really look at these coins. These are just straight up gambles, man. Like, what do you want me to look at here? Right? I mean, it is a 78% back up to its all-time high, and I'd say price discovery up to 3037 is in play, and that would be around a 350% move. So if you come back in here, and if this thing is up, we're going to save the chart. If this thing is up here, and if you really still have the coin, man, I will, if you haven't taken profits, I I will never allow you. No, I'm just joking. I was just saying I'm gonna kick you out of the live stream, but no, take profits, please. If it's up there, let's check the subscribers. Oh my gosh, man. Astar, that's right. Astar. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. I'm sorry, is this a crypto? Yeah, it is. Okay. Yeah, I mean, like, it's fine. I'll take a look at it, but I'll send you a super chat. Yeah, yeah, dude. If this thing goes up and if you sell it, you owe me a super chat. Like, I'm not, like, usually I'm like, don't even worry about it. Like, don't, but you just made me look at like 4 completely gamble coins. I guess not 4 gamble coins, but you have the option to sell. And wow, this thing is going lower, but you're gonna have the option to sell, but you just have to sell it, man. Get your money out, and yeah, get your money out. And for the gentleman who asked for Astar, what is this, man? I guess it's a 35x back up to its all-time high. It is a 80 million market cap. I already don't like the tokenomics because it looks like they released a whole bunch of coins. The coins did finish being released last year, though. Yeah, so that theoretically means that selling pressure is done with. So hopefully you are putting in a bottom right now, right? So if you were putting in a bottom right now, just keep in mind on the macro time frame, price is still bearish under 1 cent 90, bullish over 2 cents 90. So you're still stuck in this downtrend. So you have a lot of resistance to break, obviously here, but we'll just do it like that. You have a lot of resistance to break, and once you do, then we could call for a reversal. But this is very, very, very bearish, obviously. Asia will dump BTC and run gold and silver to the moon tomorrow. Astar, thanks. Astar going in the trash. Very interesting, says Vlania. All right, come on, 2 more people, and then I can actually leave. 2 more people. We are not leaving until I get 2 more subs. We've been live for, yeah, we've been live for 1 hour and 43 minutes, so almost 2 hours now. We will get 2 more subscribers. In the meantime, let's just take a look at Linnea. What is this, like a cream or something? No, it's a crypto. Yeah, so same with Linnea. I don't know what you want me to look at for you, but I will take a look at it. Obviously, you're gambling on this coin, given that it came out and it's going to 0. Looking at the tokenomics, it looks like this coin just came out and they're immediately releasing coins into the circulation, which is inflationary, which does obviously reflect on the price of the charts. And I don't want to use this wick that it got released at, so we will use this and say it doesn't mean it can't go up. So first and foremost, it doesn't mean you can't get retracements or at least make money on the way up. You have resistance at 2079 to 1 cent. A breakout should send you to 1 cent 60. Once that breaks, I say to the moon, all-time highs would be in play. Price up to 11 cents. But keep in mind, you could still come back up to this level, get stuck, and get rejected, make a lower low, and validate a downtrend that we're forming that but don't see yet. Not financial advice, just my opinion. I've been watching Ondo. Flipcoin says, catch the next one. Thanks. You're welcome, Flipcoins. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate all of your support. Thank you so much for the membership. And if you ever need any updates, just let me know, and I will make the update videos and post them for you after work if it's on the weekdays, and if it's on the weekends, then after if I'm not doing anything. I've been watching Ondo, haven't bought any. What does your analysis say is a good entry point? I don't know. Let's see. Am I going to answer your question, or am I just going to sit here and wait until I get 2 more subscribers? Oh, look at that. Wow, I actually lost a subscriber from January 1st. So someone woke up on New Year's and was like, you know what? Screw crypto analysis. Oh, and even one more on the 3rd, and then they started going up. Wow. Okay, let's take a look at... You want me to take a look at Ondo and give you my opinion on it? Yeah, so actually our Ondo chart hasn't even changed. I don't need to change it. So we have a target here on the macro time frame at 16 to 27 cents. I said that once we break this area of support, the top was in, and the next macro area of support is going to be between 16 and 27 cents. So keep in mind, this does also coincide with the daily RSI being extremely oversold. So that's where personally, if I were you, I would be dollar cost averaging or starting a position at between 16 and 27 cents. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Let's see. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. Now I only need one more. One more. Look at CASPA while everything dumps. Yeah, what is that doing? What is CASPA doing? It's still, I mean, yeah, it's down. It's pretty scary, but CASPA is actually back down to its area of support here at 36. You need to stay over this level, otherwise you're probably gonna get a bigger capitulation. I mean, I guess the next area of support for CASPA would be 2 cents 10, but we won't draw that yet, just in case we do get some sort of bounce from here and we start going up. Hey, Vara. What's going on with Vara? Oh my gosh. Oh, I guess it's still up 18% on the month. That's kind of crazy. You're brave if you're buying anything in crypto right now. Faith, Hope, Love says Numeraire. Numeraire. Yeah, we have support. Yeah, this thing is you have support here at $4.50 and $8. That's where I think it's headed. As long as you could maintain an uptrend and form some sort of like upward channel, I guess arguably, then you can argue for some sort of trend reversal. But you're very bearish you're very bearish under $11. You've been making lower highs. You're in an even bigger downtrend right now. So if it doesn't break $11 to $17, I would say you're cooked, and you're probably going to land somewhere between $4.50 and $8.20. Not financial advice, just my opinion. XRP goes to 50 cents. I'll buy that. 40 cents, I think, for XRP, right? Let me see. Yeah, so we're still in macro support, but I'd say that if XRP does break this key area of support, 650 is off of the table. I'd put XRP at 49 cents. So yeah, you're right. 50 cents to 75 cents. Yo, if XRP goes back down that low, I will pick up a bag. At 50 cents, I will pick up a bag. Best ever said just subbed. Oh my gosh, am I at 40? Am I at 88? Oh, I'm at 88.1. Let's go. All right, we're going to stay on until 9,000. No, heck no, I'm just joking. We've been live for an hour and 49 minutes. I got to go. Oh, I gotta make dinner and edit and upload all these videos, and then all the other stuff I have to do. Like, sorry guys, I gotta go. But don't unsub, because otherwise I'll have to stay. And I think we're gonna call it here. So we've been live for about an hour and 50 minutes. We got one super chat, which is great, especially because obviously Bitcoin's going to zero. So that's anything is great there. We made a couple of videos on the very few coins that are going up, and yeah, just remember, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion. This is all just for entertainment purposes and nothing more. Thank you so much for all the subs, the subscribers, the members, and the super chats. I really appreciate all of your support. Thank you so much for getting me to 8801. I really appreciate it. Have a great night. We will be live again tomorrow at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, so same time. Hopefully I'll catch you all in tomorrow's live stream. Otherwise, have a great Friday, have a great week, and I will catch you in the next live.